Have you ever wanted to make the perfect grilled steak tips? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you the barbecue must-knows for making the perfect grilled steak tips. Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to make the perfect grilled steak tips. Grilled steak tips are a delicious and easy way to enjoy a meal with friends and family. But, if you don't know the right techniques, you could end up with a dry, tough steak. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right cut of steak. The first step to making the perfect grilled steak tips is to choose the right cut of steak. Look for steaks that are tender and have a good amount of fat. The fat will help keep the steak moist and flavorful. Step 2. Marinate the steak. The next step is to marinate the steak. This will help to tenderize the steak and add flavor. You can use a store-bought marinade or make your own. Just make sure to marinate the steak for at least an hour before grilling. Step 3. Preheat the grill. Before you start grilling, make sure to preheat the grill. This will help to ensure that the steak cooks evenly. Step 4. Grill the steak. Now it's time to grill the steak. Place the steak on the preheated grill and cook for about 4 minutes per side. Make sure to turn the steak only once to avoid overcooking. Step 5. Let the steak rest. Once the steak is cooked, let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This will help to ensure that the steak is juicy and tender. And there you have it. Now you know the barbecue must-knows for making the perfect grilled steak tips. So, get out there and start grilling. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you'll get 2 videos every day for free. Thanks for watching.